गुड मॉर्निंग। ये हमारी एमएससी प्रीवियस ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री की क्लास है। रिएक्शन इंटरमीडिएट में हमने लास्ट टर्म एक बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट रिएक्शन इंटरमीडिएट स्टार्ट किया, कार्बिन्स। और अब तक हमने कार्बिन्स में क्या पढ़ा, जस्ट एक क्विक रिवीजन कराता हूँ आपको कि व्हाट आर कार्बिन्स. देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ कार्बिन्स, सिंगलेट एंड ट्रिपलेट कार्बिन्स. In triplet carbene, both electrons are unpaired, whereas it in this paired carbene. Now singlet carbene, why it is called singlet? Because ये पता होना चाहिए why it is called. I explained you last time that spin is 0 and hence spin state from this formula comes up to be 1. And because spin state is 1 and hence it is called singlet carbene, whereas in triplet case spin state comes out to be 3 and hence it is called triplet carbene. Now this singlet is diamagnetic in nature and this triplet is paramagnetic in nature. सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट जो पॉइंट था हमने डिस्कस किया था, दैट वाज अबाउट द स्टेबिलिटी. स्टेबिलिटी की जहाँ तक बात है तो आपको पता है कि ट्रिपलेट कार्बिन जो है इन जनरल इज़ more stable than the singlet carbene due to repulsion region. But in case of dihalocarbons, there was a very important question. It can be a very important question from that point of view. Dihalocarbons. In case of dihalocarbons, singlet is more stable than the triplet. The reason for this was back bonding. This was all explained to you. Back bonding extent is maximum in fluorine, and hence if we compare different dihalo, then difluorocarbene is more stable than dichloro, and dichloro is more than dibromo. Up to this we have discussed, and by you know that they are highly unstable, highly reactive species. Okay, and now we will discuss how they are generated and various reactions involving carbenes. Okay, so now today in carbenes we will discuss about how carbenes are generated. That is, you can put on the heart in generation of carbon. There are a few ways only generation of carbenes, that is how carbenes are formed. So how carbenes are formed, first method for the formation of carbene is by thermal or photochemical decomposition. By thermal or photochemical decomposition of diazoalkanes. Now you know the meaning of diazoalkanes. Say we have diazoalkanes. Okay, diazoalkanes on photochemical decomposition loses N2, and as a result of this is the carbene formed. In this case, say we have diazomethane, for example, and diazomethane on photochemical decomposition will give you methylene carbene plus nitrogen is this. Next way in which carbenes are formed is alpha elimination of halogen acid from हेलोफॉर्म. ये बहुत सारे एग्जांपल्स में हमारे पास बहुत सारी रिएक्शंस में काम आता है. फ्रॉम हेलोफॉर्म व्हेन इट रिएक्ट्स विद अ बेस, से वी हैव क्लोरोफॉर्म. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एग्जांपल, कितनी जगह हमारे पास आएगा, ये रिएक्शंस में काम में आता रहता है. क्लोरोफॉर्म, तो व्हेन क्लोरोफॉर्म इज ट्रीटेड विद सम बेस, से दिस बेस वी आर टेकिंग, तो व्हाट विल हैपन टू दिस इज अल्फा हेलो एसिड इज H and Cl. HCl is lost with this B, and we are left with CCl2. The first step for this will be, in the first step anion CCl3 is formed and this BH, and this CCl3 then loses chloride negative to form dichlorocarbene. This is a very very important carbon. Dichlorocarbene is formed from chloroform. Dichlorocarbene is formed from chloroform. Okay, next one, in many reaction this comes, and one of the name reaction we have studied nearly from ketenes. जैसे कि मैंने बताया ketenes. What are ketenes? This type of compound, C double bond O C, are called ketenes. Jokingly, sometimes it is said that it is a sister of ketenes. Okay, so R2C and carbon monoxide. So these are some of the ways through which carbenes are formed. Normally it is formed from diazoalkanes, from chloroform, and sometimes also from ketenes. Okay, now let us discuss various reactions of carbenes. Now, reactions involving carbenes are not much actually. Sometimes we come across addition reactions on unsaturated position to form cyclic compound, and its very important reactions are insertion reaction. Some of these important reactions are insertion reaction, and some time we get addition reaction to cyclic compound, addition to benzene, like that. So some important reactions of carbenes are, say, first let us discuss very simple addition to alkenes. एडिशन टू एल्केन्स में एक पॉइंट जो है वो आपको समझना है बहुत, और उसको मैं एग्जांपल देकर आपको क्लियर करूंगा कि एडिशन टू एल्केन. सो कार्बेन्स एड्स टू एल्केन्स टू फॉर्म cyclopropane derivative. Whenever it is unsaturated is there and carbene is added, cyclopropane derivative compounds are formed. Important is कि if singlet carbene is there, ये पॉइंट ध्यान से देखना आप, singlet carbene is there, then addition reaction is stereospecific. Then addition reaction is stereospecific in nature. Now, what is the meaning of this? When this addition is stereospecific in nature. So what does it mean? The addition takes place in one step and configuration of alkane is retained. That is, यहाँ आप नोट कर लो शॉर्ट में, addition is taken one step, and important point is configuration of alkene is retained as such. That is the meaning of stereospecific. ये बहुत ही important point था. Okay, let us take some example. Say we are having cis alkene and we are adding a singlet carbene this to this. Now because it is a singlet carbene, configuration of alkene will be retained, and here it was H actually, तो okay H यहाँ R कर देते हैं, कोई फर्क नहीं, R only R dash, here it will also be R dash, it won't make any difference to this, and here it is R, and say here it is H. Now when it is added at this position, this cyclopropane is formed, and important point was because it was a singlet carbene, तो स्टीरियोस्पेसिफिक इन नेचर. स्टीरियोस्पेसिफिक नेचर का मीनिंग आप बहुत ध्यान से रख लीजिए, इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट था कि स्टीरियोस्पेसिफिक इन नेचर एंड दैट इज कॉन्फ़िगरेशन ऑफ एल्कीन इज रिटेन. एल्कीन का जो कॉन्फ़िगरेशन है वो एज सच रहेगा. बट से वी हैव ट्रिपलेट कार्बेन. अगर मान लो ट्रिपलेट कार्बेन है, तो इन केस ऑफ ट्रिपलेट कार्बेन इट इज़ नॉन स्टीरियोस्पेसिफिक इन नेचर. क्यों होता है नॉन स्टीरियोस्पेसिफिक इन नेचर, मैं अभी एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ, ठीक है. एंड दिस विल इट में फर्स्ट स्टेप what will happen in this case is an intermediate is formed and through which bond rotation is possible, because in first triplet carbene electrons are not paired, electrons paired नहीं होंगे. अब ये एग्जांपल लेते हैं, R H C double bond C R H, and so now in place of this singlet, say we are having a triplet carbene. Now in triplet carbene what will happen, electrons are not paired, it reacts with alkene in a stepwise process. And what is that step? First step is R H C C R H. Now either this or this, at one of the position this is added, so one electron comes at this position, one electron comes at this position. This is the intermediate formed in this case. Now what will happen, because this biradical is formed as an intermediate, rotation around this is possible. So if rotation takes place and if rotation doesn't take place, two products are possible in this case. Two products are possible. Say one I am telling is if bond rotation takes place. Now if bond rotation takes place, what will happen? Product will be R. Okay, this was this, so here it let it write H, and here it will be R. See, this will remain as such, this will remain as such, and here it will be CH2 and CH. And if bond rotation doesn't take place, what will happen? This will close, this ring closure will give us configuration with retained. Configuration is retained in this as such. Configuration is retained in this cyclopropane ring, but when ring closure to this takes place, the product will be HR. RH, space was bitless. This I am writing again this product, that is, this is HR C C HR. This. Now two products are formed in case of this. So what you will remember in case of addition of alkene, what is this? If singlet carbon is being added to alkene, then reaction is stereospecific, that is one particular product is formed with the retention of configuration. But if it is a triplet carbon, then retention of configuration may take place or may not take place, because biradical may undergo bond rotation as shown in this example, जैसा कि हमने इस example में आपको दिखाया है. I hope this point is clear to you. Okay, now let us take number 2 type of reactions of carbene, and that is again an important reaction, most common reaction of this carbene, and that is insertion reaction. Okay, next let us take next example of carbene, reactions of carbene, and that reaction is an insertion reaction. Okay, second type of reactions of carbene are insertion reaction. Okay, now insertion reaction में क्या होता है? Carbene can be inserted into CH bond, can be inserted into CH bond. ये था carbene से. This is say carbene, and this carbene can be inserted into CH bond. Insertion can be, now this insertion, now this both insertion can be of both type, can be intermolecular insertion, and sometimes it can also be intramolecular insertion. Insertion can be intermolecular as well as intramolecular injection. Now in this case also, when carbene is singlet, that is singlet carbene doesn't show any selectivity. Singlet carbene will not show any selectivity, means it can be inserted into all the types of CH bond available in the example. It can be inserted into all the types of CH bond available in the example. For example, example लेते हैं, उससे clear होगा कि हम क्या कहना चाहते हैं example में. Say we have 2 methyl butane. Okay, let us take this example. We have 2 methyl butane, that is we have isopentane. This example we have there. Okay, now we are doing its reaction with a singlet carbene. We are doing its reaction with a singlet carbene. Now when we are doing it with a singlet carbene, see how many products are possible. This can be the question. Both these CH are similar, so C1 CH can be added into this position. Okay, यहाँ हम CH पे ऐड करेंगे, यहाँ पर CH में ऐड करेंगे तो क्या बन जाएगा ये? इट विल बी CH3 CH2. वो C तो ये हो जाएगा, CH में ऐड हो रहा है, ध्यान रखना. ऐड कहाँ हो रहा है? HC में ऐड होगा, HC. तो ये बन जाएगा CH2 और वो यहाँ आ जाएगा CH3. तो वन प्रोडक्ट विल बी, दिस प्रोडक्ट विल बी CH3 CH2 CH3 CH2 CH3. One product possible is this. Now another product possibility, because it can be, say if it is inserted at this position, अभी मान लो कार्बन यहाँ पे इंजर्ट होती है इस पोजीशन, इस CH पे, इस CH पे इंजर्ट होगी, दिस कार्ब here you will get the CH3 and that is product in this case will be CH3 CH CH3 CH3 CH2 CH3. Now similarly this carbon can be inserted at this position as well, CH. If it is inserted at this CH, इस CH पे जब इंजर्ट हो जाएगी कार्बन, तो यहाँ पे CH पे इंजर्ट होने का मतलब ये CH2 ये किस में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा, दिस CH ओके CH, और यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा CH3. ओके, तो देन दिस प्रोडक्ट विल बी से यहाँ देख के लिखना पड़ेगा CH3 CH CH3, here you will get CH CH3 and CH3. Now similarly if it is inserted at this position, then our product will be CH3 CH CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3. तो ये आई होप ये एग्जांपल मैंने बताया कि क्या था कि सिंगलेट कार्बन है तो इंजर्शन इज नॉट स्पेसिफाइड, स्पेसिफिक नहीं है, इट कैन बी इंजर्टेड इन एनी ऑफ द बॉन्ड. बट इफ इट इज द केस ऑफ ए ट्रिपलेट कार्बन, अगर मान लो हमारे पास ट्रिपलेट कार्बन है, देन इट्स सिलेक्टिविटी इज वेरी मच. इन केस ऑफ ट्रिपलेट कार्बन, ट्रिपलेट कार्बन के केस में क्या होगा, सिलेक्टिविटी इज देयर. ट्रिपलेट कार्बन शो सिलेक्टिविटी फॉर प्राइमरी, सेकेंडरी एंड टर्शरी इन द रेशियो 4.4:1.6:1.0. That is maximum tendency for the primary carbon, then for secondary and tertiary it will be the least. Okay, this is how triplet carbon will show in this case. Say we are adding a triplet carbon to this case. Now in this case triplet carbon, so this is primary, this is primary, this is also primary. In all these cases chances of addition will be maximum, and whereas it will be least in this case, and then in between these it can be added at this position. The maximum product it is injected at a primary position if it is a triplet carbon. Okay, okay, we'll continue from this. यहाँ से हम कंटिन्यू करेंगे अदर रिएक्शंस ऑफ कार्बन, दैट इज व्हाट विल बी द इंट्रामोलिकुलर इंजेक्शन टू बेंजीन, सम अदर एग्जांपल्स ऑफ एडिशन रिएक्शन. Okay, keep doing your work. Thank you very much.